Welcome students to our maths class for today. We will have a look at finding rational numbers between two rational numbers. Let us have a look at the natural numbers first. 1 and 5. Which are the two numbers between 1 and 5? Yes, it is 2, 3 and 4. They are three natural numbers. What about next one? 7 and 9. There is only one, that is 8. 10 and 11. None. So we can say they are fixed set of numbers. Let's look at the integer -1 and 2. Yes, 0 and 1 are the numbers between -1 and 2. -9 and -10. There are no numbers between -9 and -10. If we have a look at the integer number line below, we will find there are no numbers between -9 and -10. So, there are fixed set of numbers in natural and integer numbers. But let us have a look at the rational numbers. 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. Let's find the numbers between 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. You might say we have only 3 numbers between 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. But this is not the case. We can have many numbers, making the fractions as equivalent fractions. So here, if we multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number for both the fractions, we get new fractions 9 upon 30 and 21 upon 30, which are both rational numbers. So between 9 upon 30 and 21 upon 30, you will find many rational numbers. So between 9 upon 30 and 21 upon 30, the numbers are starting from 10 upon 30 till 20 upon 30. 11 rational numbers. Now, let us see finding about 8 rational numbers between 5 upon 7 and 8 upon 7. Since the denominator is same, we will directly go for the equivalent fraction, multiply and check which numbers will go. So, if we take 2 in both the cases, we get 10 and 16, and 3 we get 15 and 24. So, which is better? Yes, we get 8 fractions in the second one if we multiply 3. So let us go with that. You can take also the higher order. If you take 3, you'll get these rational numbers between the 5 upon 7 and 8 upon 7. The equivalent fractions are 15 upon 21 and 24 upon 21. Let us see example 2, 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 7. Here the denominators are not same. One is 5 and for the second one it is 7. So to make it them same, you have to find a number which will give the same answer in the denominator in both the cases. So in the first case we have 7 and the second case we have 5. If you have taken 7, the same number should follow on top and 5 should follow on for the second equation. So we get the answers as 14 upon 35 and 20 upon 35. Then we have to find the numbers between 14 and 20. Here, since the denominator is same, so you can go forward to finding the 5 rational numbers. Here we are getting exactly 5 rational numbers. These are 15 upon 35, 16 upon 35, 17 upon 35, 18 upon 35 and 19 upon 35. Okay, that's for today. Take care, stay safe. Thank you, students.